Today, I'm going to talk about that. What is your one thing, my friend? What is your one thing? I'm asking, what is your one thing? I want to know. You would say, bro, I want to start a business. I want to do job. I want to start this. I want to start this. I don't want to listen that fucking thing. I want to listen. What is your one thing? And you have to tell it. What is your one thing? Tell me. Think it. Don't just watch this video. Okay? Think. What is your one thing that you will do anyways? Like you will die for that. So you would say, bro, I can't think about it. You can't think. Yes, of course you can. Because you don't know. You don't know. So you need to create it. You need to create a thing. For that thing you can die. You can do hard work so much unrealizable. You will not see any variable how much effort you are giving. You will just give. Find your thing. And when you find your thing, it will really help you. Because now you are just going there where you don't know where. That's why I'm saying find your one thing. If you find your one thing, then you don't need to wander anywhere. You just know a simple truth that I want to do this. As simple as you want to do this. You want to be this. So you need to find your one thing. And when you find your one thing, it will be a game changer for your life. So then what? If I find my one thing, then what? Yes, that is the main thing. First of all, it would be very difficult to find your one thing. And if you are a lucky person, you already have. And if you are don't, create it. So if you are one thing, then I would say, first, I have a question. Are you a lazy guy or a very active guy? You can eager to learn. So first identify which are you. Remember, don't lie to yourself. I'm not here to judge you. Even I can't see you. I'm seeing myself. So I have to face. Two things. What is your one thing? Find it. Okay. And don't lie to yourself. And okay. Now you already find it. Are you lazy or active? So you would say, bro, I'm a active guy. You are saying because you are telling a lie to yourself. Don't do that. If you are lazy, it doesn't matter. If you are lazy, I have a solution. If you already find your one thing, you only need one thing. We just need to go deep and as deep as you can. Penetrate that topic so badly. Like that topic says, please stop. And you would say, no, I can't because you are the one I want to. Are you getting? I don't know, are you getting or not, bro? This is so simple. I'm just saying, find your one thing, find your one thing, and if you are lazy or active, according to that, you can separate. And you can just, if you are lazy, you can just read only 18 minutes. 18 minutes. You can't do it 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Yes, just 18 minutes. Like you have 24 hours. I'm just saying 18. 18. Just give it. And remember, be consistent. That's the most important thing. Okay, it will compound if a year passes. You will see some changes in months, but if you really want to see drastic change, it will take a year. So give it time, my friend. If you already found your one thing and you are active, you just need to go deep as much as you can. You need to study 5, 6, 8, 10 hours a day. Being consistent. Consistency is important. We can't do anything without consistency. So you are doing every fucking day. I know you are really bad in schools. Your parents say you can't achieve anything, but I can say you have potential. You have potential to achieve anything. Don't listen to that. Don't listen. Just do something. And if you're willing to do it, and if you are consistent, it will really, really help you. That is guaranteed. It is the matter of you. Are you really willing to do it or not? Most of people quit because of not what people say to them, because they really want to stop. And if you also want to stop, so you can, my friend. But this is only one life, and you have lots of things to do. Just find your one thing, and then if you make your one thing successful, then you can try lots of things. I'm not saying you can make it, but I would say focus on one. It can be selling, marketing, psychology. It can be anything. Anything. Are you getting? Find your one thing. It will really help you. Believe me. Don't focus on lots of stuff. Focus on only one. Guaranteed you will succeed. No matter what. It's just matter of time. If you give time, it will happen. No matter what. No matter what people say to you, it will. Most people stop because they want to stop. They don't want to. It is so difficult to wake up at very early in the morning and you really want to sleep, but you are not sleeping because you have to do something. It is very uncomfortable. You are not listening to people. You are listening to yourself that you don't want to, but you are giving excuse. People will say to me, I will stop. What is that? That is totally pointless, I feel. So, my friend, my lovely friend, find your one thing. It will really help.